Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before I get going, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who liked my previous video. We got over 200 views, which was great, and the end result has turned out well. The only issue was when I was doing some other painting, I actually knocked one of those little yogurt containers onto the wet paint, so it's left a few indentations, but hasn't really altered the look of the picture, so that's been good. Today, seeing that it's a trend that everyone seems to be doing, I'll be doing a starburst pour, Dutch pour style with the hairdryer, and the colors I've got today are white for the middle, and this is actually my cell activator mixture. It's got some Floetrol and it's also got some silicone in. Then we've got a nice lemon yellow, the old magenta, we've got the Azurean crimson, and then for some odd reason I decided to choose the turquoise. I'm not really sure how all this is going to fit together, but I thought I'd give it a go. If it doesn't work, I'll just scrape it and do another one. So let's get going with getting the paint down. Right, there we go guys, all the paints are done. Put a bit more white here, there we go. Right, let's hold thumbs and hope that this works out nicely. I see what's happened here. I've actually dragged the cord through the actual paint, which is a bit annoying. But I think it's turned out quite nicely anyway. Let me get my palette knife and just fix up the edges here. Yeah, you know me and Dutch pours, not my favorite technique. I know a lot of the ladies on YouTube have created some great paintings with their Dutch pour technique, but I've yet to really get one that I love. But I guess I just need to practice a bit more and we'll get there. Right guys, there we go. I think I have a little bit too much white in the middle here. I'm not really sure how I can fix that without redoing it, but I think it looks good. It's a nice explosion of color and just something different to my normal swipes and tilts and all that sort of thing. Guys, I just wanted to get some feedback. I've just had a new YouTube intro made for my son, for his channel. He's into Minecraft and all that sort of thing, and I was wondering whether I should get one done for myself. They're fairly inexpensive, so it's not really a cost matter. So I wanted to get your views. Do you think I should get a new YouTube intro done? Something with my logo, something that's animated rather than just the static picture I have at the moment. Pop your replies in the comments section and I'll see what everyone thinks. But at this stage I'm still up in the air about whether to do it or not, whether it's worthwhile doing it. But I'd love to get some feedback from you guys and I'll take it from there. So that's it for today guys, just a quick pour. I hope you enjoyed it. It's got a nice starburst effect, which is good. And there's a lot of little cells coming out around here, which I'm sure will carry on growing as the painting dries. But yeah, I'll be back later in the week for another pour. I still need to get a whole lot of nails to put my old paintings up on the wall. And once I've done that, I'll give you guys a little tour of my new studio. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I always say every subscription is most welcomed, and thanks for watching this video. I'm going to cut to the close-up now and I'll see you later in the week. Cool, cheers.